What's up, guys? This is Yao here, and I have a vocabulary lesson coming up in enum, enai, miensa, mienu, baako. Hello again. Mididi Yao, and you are welcome to another lesson right here on LEARNAKAN.com. I hope you've had a good week so far. Mine has been okay. So I have in the past put out 2 video lessons on how to count in Chi. Okay, so in the first one we counted from 1 to 10, and then in the second one we looked at 11 to 20 and also looked at the 10th numbers. All right, so 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way up to 100. And in that last video on the numbers, I mentioned that we were going to continue. So I said that our next lesson on counting will be we counting from 21 all the way up to 100. Okay, and that was what I was going to do today. But considering how important this topic is, I thought it best to combine aspects of the 2 previous lessons into one to serve as a recap for those who actually took them, and also as an introduction to persons who just joined us. Okay, so that is our focus for today. We are counting from 1 to 19 in Chi, obviously. Okay, so let me start by telling you this. Counting or numbering in Chi is one of the easiest lessons you will ever take, but it can also be very difficult depending on the approach that you take. All right, so there is the difficult approach and then there is the easier approach. Okay, so what is the difficult approach? The difficult approach will be you trying to memorize everything in your head. Okay, that is the difficult approach. So apart from the fact that it is almost impossible to memorize all those in your head, you will easily forget on this route. Okay, so let's go the easier approach. And the easier approach will be you memorizing just a few sets of numbers that I'm going to tell you about, and then getting to form the others out of them. Okay, so there are a few sets of numbers that I'm going to tell you about to memorize, and once you have those memorized, you can easily form the others out of them. So let's start with the set 1 to 10. Okay, and obviously this is the first set that I need you to memorize, and it is very important that you get to memorize these, because I tell you what, it's going to pay off. Okay, so we have baako, 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 mienu, 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 miensa, 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 enai, 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 enum, 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 nsia, 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 nson, 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 nwoche, 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 nkron, 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 and edu, edu, edu. Easy, right? Let's go over them one more time. So we have baako, 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 mienu, 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 miensa, 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 enai, 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 enum, 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 nsia, 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 nson, 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 nwoche, 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 nkron, 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 and edu, edu, edu. Okay, Good. Now let's move on to the second set, 11 to 19. And already we are going to use the first set to form this set. Okay, so I told you that it was going to pay off. It's already started. So now you know that the number 10 is edu in Chi, correct? Good. And I assume that you know that in figures, the numbers 11 to 19, the first ones in each of them represents the number 10, correct? So in 11, we have 1, 1. The first one is 10, and then the second one adds up to the 10 to make what? 11. In 12, we have 1, 2. First one is 10. 2 plus 10 makes what? 12. And on and on and on till 19, correct? Good. And moving on, that is the same thing we are going to do for the set 11 to 19 in Chi. Okay, the same thing. But before we do that, let's do something quickly. Now, what I need you to do is to take out baako, nsia, nson, nwɔtwe, and nkron. Okay, so baako, nsia, nson, nwɔtwe, and then nkron. These 5, take them out of the first set of 10 and then put them somewhere. Okay, they are safe, at least for now. Okay, so what happens to the other 5? For the other 5, I want you to delete the first letters of all of them. Okay, so you pick the other 5 and then you delete the first letters of each of them. So you delete the first in mienu, the first in miensa, the first in enine, the first a in enum, and then the first a in edu. 5. Okay, so the first in mienu off, the first in miensa off, the first in enine off, the first a in enum off, and then the first a in edu off. Okay, so now all that is left for us to do is to pick what is left of edu, which is now do. Remember, we took out the a, so we have do, which is 10, and just as with the figures, we are going to add the appropriate numbers to do to make 11, 12, 13, 14 all the way up to 19. Okay, let's do that. So for 11, we pick do, which is 10, and then we add baako to it. Remember, we didn't delete anything of baako, so we get do baako, and that is 11. All right, for 12, we pick do again, 10, and then we add what is left of mienu. Remember, we deleted the first m, so we add mienu to it, and then we get do mienu, 12. For 13, we pick do, 10, we add miensa without the first m, we get do miensa, 13. All right, for 14, again, we pick do, 10, and then we add 9, we deleted the first so we get do 9. All right, 14, do 9. For 15, we pick do, 10. All right, and then we add num without the first we deleted that. Okay, then we get do num, 15. For 16, we pick do, 10, and then we add nsia. We didn't delete anything of this one, so we get do nsia. Okay, for 17, again, we pick do, 10, and then we add nson. We didn't delete anything here, so we add nson to it, we get do nson. Okay, for 18, we have do, 10, and then nwɔtwe. We didn't delete anything here again, so we add to it, and then we get do nwɔtwe. All right, and the last one, we pick do, 10, then we add nkron, which is 9, which we didn't delete anything of, and then we get do nkron. Okay, so now that we know how this set comes about, let's go back and recite them just like we did with the first one. Okay, so we have do baako, do baako, do baako, do mienu, do mienu, do mienu, do miensa, do miensa, do miensa, do 9, do 9, do 9, do num, do num, do num, do nsia. dunsia, dunsia, dunsong, 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 dunwachi, 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 and dunkron, dunkron, dunkron. Let's go over them one more time. Dubako, 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 dumienu, 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 dumienza, 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 dunai, 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 dunum, 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 dunsia, 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 dunsong, 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 dunwachi, 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 and then dunkron, dunkron, dunkron. So do go ahead and start practicing with these. Again, you can go back and replay the video several times till you get them right. We are certainly going to continue, but please try and get these before we get to the next counting lesson. And this is where we end today's lesson. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did find it useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so now. Okay, and of course you can always visit www.learnakan.com for the text version of this and other lessons. And if you need to look up a word in tree, you can always visit www.mytreedictionary.com and we'll have you covered. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.